But if you have limit x approaches to infinity or minus infinity for a function, and that function is approaching a number, then we say y equals L is horizontal asymptote of the function. This makes sense. Okay? As x goes forever to the right, there is some L value. Here's L. Y is inching towards this thing. That means the graph is doing this. Never touching it, just inching towards it. This is our function, okay? Okay, so asymptote is an imaginary line the graph approaches. Okay? So Jiwon just asked, well, what if it touches? Okay, what if it did this? It's still an asymptote because it's approaching it. Now people confuse that with not being an asymptote the graph shouldn't touch, because the vertical asymptote, for example, if I had a vertical asymptote like this, vertical asymptote would looks like this. How come the vertical asymptote can't do this?
Not a function.
Yeah, that's the only reason. Not because of the definition of asymptote. Okay. So does it make sense? This right here, this definition of a horizontal asymptote. So now if you do a limit and the infinite limit and you get a number, y equals that number is a horizontal asymptote.